Hello everyone, am I audible? Everyone. Okay. So keep your book and pen ready, and let's start solving the questions. तो पहले ये चेक इसमें हम 10 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है? एंड देन यू टू टेल मी द मार्क्स. ऑलराइट, डन. Why you are asking sign by cos is 10? So you just need to solve and you need to marks whatever the questions, how many marks you are getting for the correct answer. ठीक है, तो उतना ही तुम्हें करना है. And today question is like tricky. Competency bins we will solve. So when lead nitrate powder is heated, and lead nitrate powder is heated strongly in dry test tube, and you get brown gas X. Brown gas X evolved, that is Y. So you need to identify X and type of reaction. So I need to give the options. To tell me the X and the type of reaction. Two things I want from you. Okay, someone is saying NO2, precipitation and whatnot. Tenth grade today. Okay, the perfect answer is NO2, that is X, and type of reaction is thermal decomposition. These are the correct answers. Okay, thermal decomposition. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, in chat box, just let me know whether you give the options or not. Option. Just let me know. All right. Today I will not waste much of the time, so we can solve lot many questions. Okay. Question 2. An object is placed at 20 centimeter in front of concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Find magnification. Find magnification. Options for this question be +1, -1, -2 and plus 0.5. Am I clear? Am I audible? Am I audible, everyone? Let me know. The issue, don't mind. The question is visible, you can answer it. Option A or option B? Some are okay. Option B. B is the right answer. -1, -1 right answer. -1 is the right answer. Do I need this question? Do I need to solve? Yes or no? Be quick. So we can switch to the third question. Okay. Then, so I guess everyone, first you can find V and then you can find the value of magnification. Simple. Let's see the third question. Which of the following event does not occur during photosynthesis? Okay, which event do not occur during photosynthesis? Option A, absorption. Option B, conversion of light energy to chemical energy. Here, absorption of light energy. Option C, oxidation of CO2. And option D, splitting of water molecule. Splitting of water molecule. Okay. So quick to respond. So nice. Everyone is thorough with this chapter process. Good. See, okay, oxidation takes place. Okay, let's see the next question. C is the right answer. Perfect. Here I am writing the question number 4. See, a person cannot see distinctly object placed beyond 2 meters. Person cannot see object placed beyond 2 meters. Okay. Calculate the power of lens required? Option A is plus 0.5 dioptray. Option B is minus 0.5 dioptray. Option C is minus 2 dioptray. And option D is plus 2 dioptray. Okay. Yes, your reflex section is so strong. Very good, Mahi. Good to see you this specific. Option B, everyone is saying option B. Can you let me know the type of defect? Can you let me know the type of defect? कौन सा defect है ये? Very good. It is myopia. Perfect. So it is a myopic defect. In that you need to calculate like this. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So here, what is the object distance we consider? What is the object distance we consider in case by solving the numerical? Infinite. Very good. Object distance you need to take infinite, and image distance you need to take negative of this far point, that is minus 2. Okay, object distance is infinite, this image distance is 2. Okay, so likewise you can solve. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 5. Question 5. You need to find plant hormone which promote cell division. Okay, question is lengthy, but I am just shorting it out. Auxin. Option B is cytokinin. Option C is gibberellin. And option D is abscisic acid, ABA. In previous lecture, I have told you the trick. Ayushman, your answer you got correct just because we are considering u as infinite in this question. That is why you got the correct answer. Okay. अगर ये क्वेश्चन हाइपरमेट्रोपिया के टर्म्स में है तो तुम्हें u का वैल्यू -25 लिख के सॉल्व करना है. ओके, टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग. Okay, option B, everyone is saying option B. Option B, cytokinin, that is cell division. Perfect. In previous lecture, we have discussed this question as well. So let's see the next question. It will be question 6, halfway mark in the checkpoint 1. Yes, in case of myopia, you can directly write just because u is infinite. But in case of hypermetropia, you need to take u as 25 centimeter and v as whatever the value is given of near point. Okay, that will be given in the question. Okay, let's see question 6. Solid calcium oxide. Solid calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to form calcium hydroxide. Process is called slaking of lime. Process is called slaking of lime. Now am I audible? So there might be a network issue, but you can read out the question. Okay. Okay, let's get back to the question. Okay. Identify the type of reaction. Option A is endothermic, B is exothermic, C is displacement, and D is double displacement. Which of the following is correct? Option B, endothermic, exothermic. Very good. So fast, so quick. Now tell me the formula of slaked lime. Tell me the formula of slaked lime. Exothermic is perfect. Tell me the formula of slaked lime. Very good, Jukal. Very good. Perfect. CaOH twice is the perfect answer. Okay. Then what is CaO? Few students are saying CaO. CaO is called as quicklime. Okay. It is called as quicklime. Question 7. A convex lens forms real, inverted, and same size image of an object when placed at 50 centimeter from it. Okay. So where the object is placed, what will be the object distance in this case? Option A 25, B is 50, C is 100, and D is 12.5. All are in centimeter. 25, 50, 100 or 12.5. What will be the correct answer? I want distance, accurate distance I want. What will be the accurate distance? $50. Everyone getting 50? Option B. So जितना इमेज होगा उतना ही ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस होगा इन दिस केस. तो यहाँ पे अगर 2f1 पे है तो ये 2f2 पे होगा. Okay, in the same question, what will be the focal length? चलो वो बताओ. Focal length क्या होगा इसमें? Tell me that. What will be the focal length? Yes. Again, the same kind of problem I am seeing. Students are not writing the unit. You must need to write a unit. वो लिखना ही है, unit तो लिखना ही है. Okay. Unit ना छोड़ना. चलो question 8 करते हैं solve. During vigorous muscular exercise, which substance causes pain in muscle? How's that about? I'm gonna answer it without mentioning the options. फटाफट लिख दिया सबने. ओके. मस्कुलर एक्सरसाइज आता है तो पता चल ही जाता है कि इसका आंसर लैक्टिक एसिड फॉर्मेशन है. एंड दैट इज वेरी गुड. See again, this is a repeatedly asked question in the board exam as well. Okay, let's see the next question 8. Sorry, it's question 9 now, right? Pathway involved in reflex action. Pathway involved in reflex action. Okay. Very good, Aishman. Option A, receptor, then sensory neuron, then brain, then motor neuron, and then effector. Effector यानी effector muscle जो भी है. Okay. I hope you'll be able to write the options. Then comes receptor, motor neuron, then comes brain, then comes sensory neuron, and then is effector muscle. Option C is effector muscle, motor neuron, spinal cord, sensory neuron, and receptor. Option D is given: receptor, sensory neuron, spinal cord, motor neuron, and then effector muscle. What will be the correct order? You all are too good with the science. काश इतनी जल्दी रिस्पॉन्स मैथ्स में मिलते. Yes, you all need to together. We will solve the problem in math as well. मैथ इज रादर इजी compared टू साइंस. साइंस में पढ़ना बहुत पड़ता है. मैथ्स में फॉर्मूला कर लो, वही फॉर्मूला से घुमा फिरा के क्वेश्चन करते जाओ, खत्म. ओके. So with lot of practice you can gear up in maths as well. At top of building, danger signal of light is red in color due to what? Why? Why the color of danger signal kept red? Cheers. You all are trying good. It's good. I'm not giving the option in this. Very good. Accurate word you need to give. Okay. Very good, Vansh. Good answer. Very good, Vansh. So all of you know that this is the reason why danger signal is red in color, because it is least scattered. Okay. It is having a longer wavelength, so it will scatter the least. So that is the reason at top of the building or in signals, danger signals being used. Perfect. Accurate answer. Okay. So show some reactions for your completing the checkpoint number 1 and also tell me the mark. Okay. You completed the checkpoint 1. Tell me your marks. लास्ट लेक्चर से इस लेक्चर में ज्यादा तेजी से हमने 10 सवाल किए. So ऐसे इंटेंसिटी बनाते रहो. Your question solving speed will increase and that will boost your speed in board exam as well. 9, 8, 10, 9. Perfect. So good. And these all questions are okay. 100 out of 100 reactions are coming. Okay, let's switch to the next checkpoint. Checkpoint number 2. Again, you need to score. Let's try today to finish all 30 questions of the worksheet. I hope you are downloading the worksheet and also the solution you are checking from the description box. Lecture के बाद मैं उधर रख देता हूँ. Question 11. Okay, just go through this worksheet. They are very good. Okay, with detailed solution. You can also take a printout and have a practice later on. क्योंकि अभी तो recently किया है. But before your school exams also you can solve it. Okay, it will be very helpful with good questions. In a redox reaction, one reaction is given. MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus 2Cl. Sorry, it will only be Cl2. Okay. Now in this, which substance is oxidized and the oxidizing agent? Okay, you need to find substance oxidized and oxidizing agent. Okay, I'm writing the options. First, read the question carefully. Okay, HCl, MnO2, then MnO2, NHCl, HCl, MnCl2, MnO2 and Cl2. Very important question. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this question. It is that important. बोर्ड में बहुत बार पूछा गया है ये सवाल. Very important. Option A, everyone is clear with this? Option A की तो बारिश हो रही है. In previous lecture as well, I have told you the trick for oxidizing agent, that it contains oxygen. जिसके पास oxygen है, that too on a reactant side. Reactant side जिसके पास oxygen है, वो oxidizing agent होगा. ये आपको याद रखना है, very important. Okay? तो ये अगर oxidizing agent है, तो ये इसको ही oxidize कर देगा. Simple. Clear? So here option A will be the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. I hope it is clear. Let's switch to the next question. Question number 12. Ray of light enters from medium A to medium B. This is the case given, medium A to medium B. Yes, Kanjan. One of the best comment I have seen till date in this live session. It is way better than scrolling the reels. Questions भी हो जाए और speed भी बढ़ती जाए, knowledge भी बढ़े. So good. Okay, so ray of light enters from medium A to medium B. Speed of light in medium A is given 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And for medium B, speed of light is given 1.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second. You need to find relative refractive index of medium B with respect to medium A. Medium B with respect to medium A. Medium B with respect to medium A. 0.75. Option B is 1.33. C is 1.50. And option D is 0.50. Very important question. Okay, one response I can see is 0.75, 0.75. Okay. Option A. Again, the option A everyone is saying. Okay, Aishman is saying option B. Rest others are saying option A. चलो ये बैटल मजा आता है देखने में. कोई ए बोल रहा है, कोई बी बोल रहा है. सी और डी भी आएगा, किसी का नहीं आ रहा. ओके आयुष्मान, यू कैन जस्ट टाइप वन टाइम, इट्स ओके. देखो डी, ऑप्शन डी भी आया, देखा, एज आई सेड आएगा. वेरिएबल आंसर्स. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द अदर्स? ओके, ऑप्शन सी भी आ गया. आई गेस यू डोंट नो हाउ टू सॉल्व, तो उन्होंने क्या बोला? सी भी बता दिया, डी भी बता दिया. ऑप्शन ई. ऑप्शन क्या होता है पता है? एनीवन नोज व्हाट इज ऑप्शन ई? ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ऑप्शन जेड. ऑप्शन ई तब टिक करते हैं जब हमें आंसर नहीं करना है और नेगेटिव मार्किंग एग्जाम होता है. इन दैट दे गिव ऑप्शन ई एज वेल. ओके, ऑप्शन बी नन ऑफ द अबव. नहीं, ऑप्शन बी 1.33. लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट. Let's see how we can solve it. Option E, leave the question. Refractive index of B by A. So we can write it as refractive index of B upon refractive index of A. Now see, you know this, N is equal to C by V. So refractive index is inversely proportional to V. Okay. So here I need to write VA by VB. So it will be 2 into 10 power 8 upon 1.5 into 10 power 8. So when you solve this, you will get answer option B. Option B. समझ में आया एवरीवन? कैसे करना है क्वेश्चन? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये. इस चीज घुमा फिरा के बोर्ड में पूछते हैं और हम छोड़ देते हैं. okay. बस इतना ही कॉन्सेप्ट लगाना है. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वेलोसिटी या स्पीड, जो भी बोलो. इट इज स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन मीडियम. So if you take NB by NA, you have to take VA by VB. If you take NA by NB, then it will be VB upon VA. Simple. Okay. हमेशा reciprocally consider करना है. That is the key. चलिए नेक्स्ट सवाल देखते हैं. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखें. क्वेश्चन 13. What prevents from collapse of air passage in human being when less air is present? Okay. So good. जानबूझ के मैंने एयर पैसेज ही लिखा, ट्रैकिया नहीं लिखा. But still you got that question. आई होप तुम्हारे जो एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट हो उसमें एमसीक्यू में तो तुम्हारे पूरे ही मार्क्स आए. और वही स्टूडेंट का वीकेस्ट एरिया होता है ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. वहीं पे उनको मार्क्स नहीं आते. तुम सबको बोर्ड्स में 20 on 20 लेने. साइंस के लिए तो आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट, बट मैथ्स का देख लो थोड़ा. ओके, मैथ्स का भी करेंगे. सैटरडे मैथ्स लेक्चर इज ऑल्सो देयर. साइंस में तो देख के आंसर बता रहे हो. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Focal length of mirror is plus 15 centimeter. Find nature of mirror and its radius of curvature. फोकल लेंथ जो है जो है वो 15 सेंटीमीटर है प्लस 15। नेचर भी बताना है और तुम्हें उसका रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर भी बताना है, ठीक है। ओके, वेरी गुड। Radius is 30. Convex mirror, diverging. These are the answers I'm getting. Anjan is also right. Convex mirror. अच्छा, तुम सब बताओ कि कॉन्वेक्स मिरर आंसर है। तुमको पता कैसे चला कि कॉन्वेक्स मिरर आंसर है? एथ, आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट द टाइप ऑफ मिरर, नॉट द टाइप ऑफ इमेज। तुमको पता कैसे चला कि ये कॉन्वेक्स है? यस, वेरी गुड, पॉजिटिव। रूल्स देख के पता चला है, रूल्स याद है, बढ़िया। सो योर फंडामेंटल, योर बेसिक्स आर वेरी क्लियर। चीयर्स टू योर साइंस टीचर। Okay, let's switch to the next question. Aqueous solution of Na2SO4 is mixed with barium chloride, which white PPT will be formed. Okay. Yes, Keval sir. Barium sulfate, BaSO4, that is the white precipitate obtained. Okay, tell me the type of reaction. You all are great, doing so great. Without options, you are easily answering the questions. Tell me this type of reaction in this. So nice, double displacement, and few also have written the precipitation reaction. That is also the correct one. क्योंकि ये जो white compound form होता है BaSO4, that is also in a form of precipitate. Okay, so nice, amazing. We are in question number 16. Okay, we are in question number 16. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Concave lens दिया है, focal length दी है 15 centimeter, and image formed at 10 centimeter. Okay, find the ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस। ये तुम्हें फाइंड करना है, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस। इसमें ऑप्शन ए दिया है 30 सेंटीमीटर, ऑप्शन बी इज 20 सेंटीमीटर, ऑप्शन सी इज 15 सेंटीमीटर, ऑप्शन डी इज 60 सेंटीमीटर। No, BSO4 is not used in black and white photography. It is AgCl, silver chloride. It is in photolytic decomposition. In that topic, black and white photography is used. AgCl and AgBr, not BaCl2. It is AgBr. After the AgBr reaction, it is mentioned in NCERT. Now solve this numerical. Solve this numerical. Everyone is getting option A. Good with numerical. You need to take focal length. Negative, and image distance, image formed. Image distance you again need to take negative because it will be on the same side, and from that you can easily get the object distance. Be specific with the sign while solving the question of concave lens or convex mirror. Okay, they are always tricky. Still 4 questions to go before reaching to checkpoint 2. Okay, question 17. I'm not writing the entire question. Functional unit of kidney. Functional unit of kidney. Just a simple question. Functional unit of kidney. Everyone might be knowing this question is very easy. I'm switching to the next question directly. Nephron is the correct answer. Splitting of white light into its component color is called blank. This is the next MCQ. Dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. It is dispersion of white light. Okay, when you pass the white light through the prism, then it gets dispersed. It is dispersion of white light. Question 19. Which part in human brain controls involuntary actions like salivation and vomiting? You just calm down and focus on answering the question. That's it. Medulla and cerebrum. Such answers I can see. Medulla oblongata also correct. Okay, medulla is located in which part of the brain? Medulla is the right answer. Perfect. It is located in which part of the brain? Yes, it is a part of hindbrain. Simple. Forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Medulla is the part of hindbrain. That is the answer. Okay, question 20. Last question before the checkpoint 2. Completing the checkpoint 2. Shiny brown color element X. Shiny brown color element X on hitting in air becomes black and form compound Y. You need to find what is X and Y. Here I am giving the options Fe and Fe2O3, Cu and CuO, Mg and MgO, and Ag and Ag2S. The moment I turn, I just started to see the answer. तुम यहाँ से ही पकड़ लेते हो कि जैसे ही बी ऑप्शन दिखा हो और वो सही निकला तो तुम फटाफट आंसर बता देते हो. दैट इज वेरी गुड पार्ट. Option B. B is the perfect answer. B is the right answer because it is a brown color. And when you heat it up, copper oxide becomes black in color. Oxidation reaction. Okay. Oxidation reaction. चलो अभी चेक पॉइंट 2 खत्म किया. उसके मार्क्स बता दो. हाउ मेनी मार्क्स? टोटल भी बता सकते हो आउट ऑफ 20. हाउ मेनी मार्क्स यू स्कोर्ड आउट ऑफ 20? How many marks you have scored out of 20? Out of 20, 18, 18, 19, 19. Okay, Misri 15, perfect. Nisha 18, Mahi 19. So on an average, everyone is above 18 marks, and that is very good sign. Okay. Okay, what is the time right now? It is 10:45. Need to solve more or shall end the session? Table 20 on 20. आमी ऐसा है तो पूरे मार्क्स तो आने ही है. Okay, good sleep is required for tomorrow school. हमारा भी है. Okay, let's solve 5 more questions or 2 or 3 more. Then we will end up the session. Question 21st. Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset increase the apparent time of sun to be visible by blank minute. Two-minute, everyone is saying. Again, you can read the question. Advanced sunrise and delayed sunset increase the apparent time of sun to be visible by how many minutes? सनसेट सनराइज के टाइम 2 मिनट अर्ली होता है और सनसेट के टाइम 2 मिनट डिले होता है. तो apparent टाइम सन जो विजिबल दिखे हमें, what it will be? सबका आंसर चेंज हो गया. Okay, this question is not in the worksheet. I've just framed it right now. Okay. Question 22. Which of the following is endothermic reaction? मैं जो ऑप्शंस बताऊं उसमें से कौन सा एंडोथर्मिक है वो आपको बताना है. ठीक है, चलो. फर्स्ट इज बर्निंग ऑफ नेचुरल गैस. ऑप्शन बी, decomposition of ferrous sulfate. Option C, respiration. And option D, reaction of quicklime with water. तुम कॉफी पी रहे हो वहां पे, मेरा डिनर भी बाकी है. Okay, option D, quicklime with water. Is it endothermic reaction? Is it endothermic? You can use your NCERT if it is near to you. Option D is exothermic. This is wrong answer. रेस्पिरेशन में भी एनर्जी रिलीज होती है. अगेन इट इज रॉन्ग. डिकम्पोजिशन, उसमें हीट लगेगी, राइट? डिकम्पोजिशन बाय एनी मीन्स, जनरली ये तो ऐसे होगा. फेरस सल्फेट डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन इट इज गिवन इन एक्टिविटी. ओके, चैप्टर 1 की एक्टिविटी है. Okay, last question for today. Question 23. Growth of pollen tube towards ovule is blank tropism. Growth of pollen tube towards ovule auxin, photo, chemo, what it will be? Chemotropism. Chemotropism is the right answer. Perfect. Okay, one more or shall I end the session now? One numerical question is there. Question 24. Absolute refractive index of glass is given 3/2 and refractive index of water is given 4/3. Find the relative refractive index of glass with respect to water. Glass with respect to water. It will surely gonna be the final question for the day. 9/8, 8/9, 2 and 1/2. What will be the answer? Option A. Okay, let's see. Refractive index of glass with respect to water, if I want to find it, is 3/2 upon 4/3. So it will be 9/8. Option A is the right answer. Perfect. Okay, cheers to you all. It was really a wonderful session. मजा आ गया आज. जितने स्पीड से, जितने कंटेंट क्लैरिटी से, रीजनिंग के साथ तुमने जो आंसर्स दिए, ओके, it makes me feel so happy, so good. So good night everyone, and see you on the Saturday with another live session of your favorite subject, that is mathematics.